students, today we'll discuss about business environment, our unit 3. Now what is environment? Environment means our surroundings, and a business is also a part of surroundings. Business is also affected by the surroundings. Now meaning, the business environment means the sum total of all the individual or institutions, there are consumer, competitors, supplier, government, media, etc. and other forces like economic, social, political, legal, technological, etc. that are outside the control of a business enterprise, but they may affect its performance. Because they are not under control of a business enterprise. You can't control environment, you can't control government, you can't control social environment, you can't control economic environment. Like take an example of today's scenario. Today nobody, when 2020 started, nobody imagined that, you didn't imagine that in class 12th you will be studying online. So this is something changed. This is technological environment has changed because of Corona COVID-19. Now for many months we have not seen each other face to face. So this is environment. Many businesses, they are affected. Like take an example of car industry, automobile industry, they are affected. Demand has come down. Only demand for consumer items like or FMCG items, provisions has gone up. Otherwise demand for all the other products have come down. Or take an example, now marriages only 50% are invited, are allowed by the government legally. So banquet halls, they are empty. So this is all the effects of environment. Now economic environment, economic changes. Like in 1991 India opened its gates for liberalization, privatization growth. People got employment in multinational companies, per capita increased, our economy increased, standard of living increased. So that is economic environment. So but now it's affected. For last 3 months it's affected. Why it's affected? Because of per capita income has come down, our economy is going down, our GDP is going down, because demand is not there. People, they are scared. Now social environment. Social environment also affects our economy, our environment. Like take an example, if you go to in India, Dehradun is a cosmo city. Nobody cares what people are wearing. But if you go to Sahanpur, Meerut, Muzaffarnagar, girls are there, the people are conservative. Girls are not allowed to move in western dresses. That is social environment. Or during your Eid festival, demand for milkmaid goes up. So these are social. Or during Gurpura festival, demand for Dona Patal goes up. During Diwali, demand for crackers and candles goes up. This is social environment. Political environment. If political instability is there, then also demand comes down. Like take an example. Now because of political, because in Rajasthan political instability is there. So if it goes for a longer period of time, the business will be affected. Legal, like take an example, if you go to Goa, liquor is available in provision stores also, but this is not the case in Dehradun. Or if you go to Gujarat, liquor is not allowed, that is legal. So illegal that is. Now technological environment. Now technological environment also affects our economy, our business. How? Like take an example of your mobile phones. Every now and then they are changing. If your father asks you that this was the first mobile phone which he bought from his salary, now I am giving you because you are in class 12, you will say no, I will not take. So this is technology. So they are outside the control of an enterprise. Or take an example, like take a demonetization was there, or from VAT our taxing policy have changed to GST. So these are all government policies, political uncertainty, technological environment, change in fashion. If fashion changes, like when I was in class second or third at that time, bell bottoms were there. Not now, bell bottoms are out of fashion. So we have to look for it. Or competition. Like, take an example, only Bajaj was till early 90s, only Bajaj was number one company, two-wheeler company in the world. Now Bajaj is facing competition with from other automobile companies. So Bajaj has to change. So competition is there. Or there was till 84, there was only two car companies in India, Hindustan Motors and female Padmini. But after that, competition increased, Maruti came into market. Now in this decade, last 2 decades, other automobile, Honda